Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be teaching you how to transfer your chat history from ChatGPT to Cloud. Stay with me. So right now my ChatGPT is already open. As you can see, this is my ChatGPT, and then I'm just wandering over it. We're going to open our Cloud very soon. From there you will see what we're going to do and how we're going to copy our chat history from ChatGPT to Cloud. Now I'm just going to go back to Cloud. Let's come to Cloud. My Cloud tab is already open. I will then let me highlight it in for you. So what we're going to basically do here is we're going to open the settings here. You're going to click on the settings. Let me highlight it. This is the settings. You're going to click on the settings or control down key. I don't know why this is waving. I'm waving like this. You're going to shift to privacy. Let me look for a tab that opens that. Basically, this is my first time doing this, but I'm just trying to screen record it. So let's go down to general. No, it cannot be on general. Let's go to privacy. Now to privacy. Yeah, so go to memory preferences and then do start import. When you click on start import, this is going to appear, import memory to Cloud. So that prompt is going to appear there. Just simply copy it. After copying it, go to your ChatGPT and then create a new chat, paste it there, and then click send. Wait for ChatGPT to do all the stuff. It's gonna just do things about you that it has already stored in its brain. So you're just gonna basically copy that and then head back to Cloud and then paste it down here and click add to memory. Basically, that's all of it. Then simply write a hey or anything and send to ChatGPT to Cloud, and then you see that it will respond. Hey Nathan, what's good? That's all. Please like, share, and subscribe for more contents like this.